That's right, guys. We're currently back in Beverly Hills, just wheeling and dealing in all the weirdest and funniest stuff that we can possibly find for you guys. It's a bit crowded. I don't know what's going on with all these floral plants and trees and what have you, but we're back in the Prius. No SVR today because obviously that's just not a very good idea and I don't want any more tickets. But for the uninitiated, we're in Beverly Hills every weekend just to film supercars, exotics, weird shit, funny stuff, what have you. So let's just jump into it and see what we see, guys. All right, let's roll. Oh, I hear an F-boy. Let's roll down the windows, get the sights and sounds of the 90210. We got a dog spot right there and a pretty nice color Aventador. Dude, guys, the license plate game is stronger than ever. We got muffins on the Subaru. We got the usual Veyron here at Ilpa style, right next to a slammed M3 with aftermarket wheels. There we go. Looking nice. Oh, those two dudes are probably thought I was filming them. Nah, dude, I'm filming the car, son. Here we go, guys. Spec on point. This guy or gal knows exactly what they're doing. Respect. I love a good spec, guys. Got a highlighter i8. Trying to find the Trump Hollywood star. There seems to be some sort of rally or protest around it. Oh, okay, old Maserati. Yeah, it really behooves him why anyone really want to come to Hollywood Boulevard. It's just not a very nice place. There's a lot of homeless people. It's dirty. There's drunk people at night. It gets kind of sketchy, so I don't know. Dude, look at this. Topless. What? Topless puppet maids? Dude, there it is. They got the topless puppet maids. 1-800-GET-FELT. Happy Time Murders. Must be some sort of promo, but like, there's a lot of these topless maid vans that are running around Los Angeles. Check this out, guys. Hold on. No way. That's pretty funny. I like that. I like that. What's this guy doing? What's this guy doing? Dude, I'm still trying to find the Trump star, and I honestly don't know where the fuck I'm going, so I do apologize. I don't know why people sit on the street to take photos with their favorite Hollywood star on Hollywood Boulevard. It's just not a very sanitary thing to do. If you guys knew what happened on these streets at night, even in the daytime, it's pretty revolting, honestly. I like this guy's shirt. The pussy knows. Oh, there it is. This is the defaced Trump star, but there's no protesters. There's some security guards, but what the heck is this guy? What the? Just honking us. He's got a parrot. Hold on, he's got a bird on his shoulder. You guys see that? Do you guys see that? I hope you guys caught that. Yeah. We gotta get the fuck out of here, guys. Hold on, there's the man with the parakeet or the bird on his shoulder. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in. Yes, I got him. Guys. All right, we're gonna go back to Los Angeles and Beverly Hills. This place is just, it's a complete racket here. Oh, we got the religious nut jobs over here as well. They do love to shout and scream, but man. Back to our normally scheduled content of exotic cars and even weirder shit in Beverly Hills. So let's get out of here, guys. Let's get the hell out of Dodge. Check this out. Floral Patterns has hold on, guys. Check this out. We got a live DJ and are they gonna start dancing, dude? No? The things you see on Rodeo Drive. Excuse the music, it's very overpowering, but we got like some Brazilian dancers, or I don't even know what they're called, but look up, there's a guy up there. He's trying to take a photo of the girls from up there. Yeah, I catch you, boy. Yeah, I got you, boy. Yeah, he's trying to sneak one on his rounds, dude. Dude, this music is so loud, I can't even hear my fucking self think. Jesus. Dude, this music, there's a DJ playing right over there. I feel like every 15 minutes, they're incrementally like increasing the volume on the bass. It's so goddamn loud. Dude, we got this guy in his suit in the middle. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in. Look at this guy. Look at this jabroni right here. Uh-oh, look who we got. Oh. Yeah, dude, the party's over, bro. Dude, check out this. No, not this dude. Hold on. No, not this guy. No. There we go. He's catching a glance. He's catching a glance. I got you, boy. Look, guys, they're still impounding the Bird and Lime scooters in the back of this Beverly Hills traffic control pickup. Oh, wait. They've got a victim. Hold on. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, she's got one. No.
It's still on, too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she's put cones around the pickup. Oh, yeah. That's right. Another one bites the dust.
Like, use your phone on the app.
Oh, so it was still on when she put it in the pickup truck. Oh, that sucks. That's gonna be the most expensive bird ride ever, dude. That's pretty sick. Check out that mega dog right there. Oh my god. Yes. Wow. This is straight up white people stuff, dude. This DJ is slightly better over here. That Daft Punk just jamming over there, dude. Dude, they got the kids with the scooters. Oh no. Dude, it's RIP, bro. He's calling back up. Oh no. Oh yeah, so they have the 18 and over. And you have a helmet. Oh, dude, it's game over, guys. Yo, this guy's like, all right, where the scooters at, boy? Gotta confiscate that nonsense. Oh. Wait, is it the Draken or something else? Is that Dan the Man? Hold on, we got a unique spot here, guys. Hold on, we got the Koenigsegg Draken rocking it on Rodeo Drive. What the heck? Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna stand right over here. He's got the limo tints. Look at that. Oh. Much better. Out of the blue, dude, from the OC. No way. Hold on, he's gonna do a pull? Oh. There he is. Holy shit, now that's a spot. Oh, we're getting snaked by the Lexus. Are you kidding me? Oh, holy shit. There we go. All right, let's get a closer look. Hold on. See, now the thing is that you just never see Dan rolling through Rodeo Drive. Dude, there it is. Stuck in Rodeo traffic, and we still have to deal with this nonsense of a DJ in the background, so I do apologize. That's a hell of a spot. OC to the Los Angeles, baby. Holy crap. What the heck? The guy like... Alright, the crazy thing about the Drac and running around Rodeo is that no one even realizes what the car is. They're more concerned about who's in the car rather than what the car is. What is this? Photo shoot in the Bentley. What? Oh my goodness. Yeah, you get the shot, son. Combo here. Check this out. Ooh. Took his spot, bro. Took his spot. Took his spot for sure. Oh no, he's gonna park right behind it. He's got it. Dude, he got outflexed on, dude. The guy in the Veyron. Hey. The guy in the Veyron got outflexed for one. It's a Lobo Arab F12, Mr. KBN himself.
Okay, got it.
That's the lowest summer white.
There's like better hustle up. Man, holding up traffic. Jeez. The Uber driver's getting pissed because they've been taking for ages to get in the car. There you go. There you go, ladies. Well done. Good job. Good job. Get the Qatar 488. Oh, look, another 570 over there. Ooh, we got a camouflaged car, SUV. What could that be? Any guesses? You think it's a Ford Explorer? Chrome blue Bentley convertible. And that's all I need to say. That's it.
Last night it was 4:52. I got the text from Jake Paul.
Oh my god. Rolling the window up, rolling the window. Oh, he just dead. Dude, Paul just fucking dead, bro.